Hello everyone, hope you're having a wonderful and blessed Monday. Today we're going to do 2 unboxing of the snail mail that I just received. So let's get started. This here is the nail polishes. I don't remember what I ordered. This is the smudge-free top coat. Straight up black. And Bambi white. These stickers as per usual. Yes, and a gummy. Oh, I get so happy seeing these little guys. Can't wait to eat this. Oh yes, okay, so this kit is the one that you just pay for shipping. Yes. So let's go ahead and open this up. Ooh, this is so nice. This here, it's like the comic / gaming. Look how pretty that is. The life, right there. Hearts, potion, stars, money, bitcoins. Okay. And this here has a T-Rex bone, some stars. Can't wait to use this one. And instructions. This is what I love about Maniology, is that they always send instructions on how to, especially if you're new to nail art stamping, how to prep your stamper, and must work quickly. Yes, very quickly. How to clean up the mess. Let's see over here and just quick instructions. The scraper. Let's start it over. There we go. The stamper head. I really love these. You can never go wrong with extra stampers. And this is called Mirror. And Yummy Gummy. I think I have this one already, but you can never go wrong with extra stamping polish. And for the other snail mail, and it is for Maniology. Maniology. I don't remember what's in here. So let's see what's in here. Oh, I think this is the one where I got that special effect. What is it called? The Shimmery Creative Nail Art Stamping Polishes, the Moonbeams collection. And the 10 sets of the Botanicals collection stamping plates. So let's take a look at that. And the stickers. Let's see here. No gummy. No gummy. But it's okay because I did receive my other package, so we're good. So I also enjoy that they name the collection. Let's Oh, okay, obviously. I always have the habit of looking on the bottom, but yes, they have the name on the top. These are so pretty. Everybody in the Maniology community recommended these, so I'm very, very excited to do some nail art. And Curious Matter. Expedition Pearl. And Planet Silk. And not last, so now I do have this one already. I had purchased it individually and I enjoyed it so much that I had purchased, let's see here. I've already done nail art with it. This one right here. This is one of my favorite stamping plates. And because of those two, I decided to get the rest of the collection, and they are on clearance. I don't know if they're still available. I think they are the last time I checked. But all of these are so pretty, especially for like spring is coming and summer. I mean, look at that. And this is another one that I really wanted to get. So there was mostly all of them that I really enjoyed, and I thought it would be perfect to be in my collection. So I decided to get the whole thing because it was actually cheaper that way. And this one, it has like a little focus. There we go. It has a bridge, some more, that looks like a lily pad. Let's see here. Yeah. Some more flowers. This is an interesting plate. It has fruits, moths, dragonfly. I think that's a bee. And another plate that I wanted, so I figured I'd get it. Well, thank you so much for watching this snail mail. I hope you guys have a wonderful and blessed night.